these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong. Yeah.
Hi Glam fam, it's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY, and I wanted to show you all some of the previous DIYs that I made. They're vases and they are so beautiful, guys. So this first vase, I'm going to use some tile that I got from Nafuu Glam Decor, and then I'm going to make another vase. I got this tile from Decor.com, and I also am going to use these tiles. They're multifaceted and I got them from Decor.com as well. These chips I got from Hobby Lobby, and these are some tiles that I got from Decor, and I'm going to use some crushed diamonds. Okay guys, so the first vase, we're going to use these mirror tiles, as I said, that I got from Nafuu Glam Decor. They came in 2 sizes, and I'm going to use some crushed diamond wrap, and I'm using this this container. It was an old container, food storage container that I got, and I'm turning it into a vase, y'all. So sometimes you can keep those things that you have and you can repurpose them. But guys, all I'm doing is taking the towel and I'm covering the storage container with the tiles. Okay guys, so here I am using some crushed diamond wrap to hide the flaws from the vase or whatever, and it's going to make it beautiful. It's just embellishing the the vase a little bit. So that's all I'm doing, is adding some of the crushed diamond wrap. Okay guys, so this is how it is looking so far. I love the way it is turning out, guys. So I'm just going to clean it up here, and I'm going to add some floral foam, and I'm going to put the flowers in. I just love the color of these flowers. I don't particularly like the flowers, but I do like the color of the flowers. So guys, I'm going to show you all how good this vase looks. Take a look. It is so beautiful, and I got it on a little spinning thing just to be dramatic, y'all. So guys, it did turn out wonderfully, and let's go ahead and get on into our second DIY. Okay, so guys, this is going to be a very simple DIY, but the results are going to be amazing. So we're using an Amazon box, y'all. Keep those Amazon boxes. Not all of them, but keep some of those Amazon boxes. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and add our tile that I got from Decor.com around it. So guys, I'm cutting out the top, and you can make it, as neat as you like, but I saw no reason to just make it so perfect. So it wouldn't be showing anyway. So I'm just putting the floral foam in here, and then I'm going to add the flowers, And I'm going to show you all once again how this vase turned out. Now this vase I saw on Amazon, so this is another Amazon dupe that I have done. Y'all, it looks exactly like the same vase that I saw on there. So it turned out beautifully and I really did love it. I gave it to my unit manager and she loves it. Okay, so we're going to get on into this one. This is a little vase that I found at, I think it was the Goodwill, and it's gold, but I'm going to cover it completely with some mirrored tile, the multifaceted mirror tile. I love these. At first, when I first saw these tile, I didn't like them, but I grew to love them. So this is how this vase turned out. This was so simple, so easy, and it just made a world of difference when you add the tile to it. I think it looks amazing, guys. And I just put those little pink flowers in and it made it look so cute. Okay, guys, so let's get into this next DIY. So I bought these little chips or gems or whatever you want to call them from Hobby Lobby. And I said, hey, you know, they're so cute. I got to do something with them. I bought them around Christmas time. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and, you know, do a DIY with it. And I thought about this vase because I saw something similar. So I said, hey, let me put these gems on this vase and give it, you know, a totally different look. And I decided to add some light to it to give it some oomph. So guys, it turned out beautifully as well. I really did like these. And then I saw some stems and I saw these like beads at the beauty supply, and I thought those would be cute to go in there, just weird looking, and I like weird, so that made it really, really cute. Okay, guys, so this DIY is going to be, I have a cylinder vase and I'm going to use these items. I use some car trim, y'all, to go on the top and bottom of this vase to give it a more defined look. These are Amazon dupes, so it really did make it look just like the vase that I saw. So I just put some crushed diamonds in here with some clear glue and it just turned out beautifully, y'all. I loved it. Okay, guys, so see how simple and easy that was? Okay, let's move into our next DIY and our last DIY. Okay, guys, so I'm using these wood boxes that I got from Dollar Tree, and all I did was glue them together, and then I placed the subway tile that I got from dieflar.com around it, and all I did was put the crystal diamond wrap around it to give it a little bit of glam, y'all. And it was so simple, so easy. Okay, guys, so this is the end result, and I hope you got inspiration from watching this video. And if you did, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.